Good day everyone, myself Rishabh Malviya, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Pharmacy, School of Medical and Allied Sciences, Galgotias University. Today we will discuss about weight and measurement system used in pharmaceutical sciences. Pharmaceutical calculation is based on understanding of calculation. To have a complete understanding of various types of calculation which are involved in dispensing, it is desirable that the pharmacist should have a thorough knowledge regarding weight and measures which are used in pharmaceutical calculation. There are two types of weight and measurement system. The first one is the imperial system and second one is the metric system. Imperial system is an old system while metric system is a new system. Before starting imperial and metric system of measurement, we should know what is weight. Weight is a measure of how heavy something is. It is based on gravitational force acting on a body, acting on an object. Now we will start about imperial system of measurement. Imperial system is an old system of weight and measures, and there are two types of imperial system. First one is Avogadro's system and second one is Apothecaries system. Avogadro's system, in this system the pound is the standard unit for weighing and all measures of mass are derived from the imperial standard pound. The symbol used to denote pound is lb. And in apothecary system, the grain is the standard unit and all the weight are derived from the grain. The apothecary system is also known as Troy system. It means imperial system is divided into two parts, Avogadro's and apothecary system, and based on the standard unit used to denote the mass. In Avogadro's system, the standard unit is pound, while in apothecary system, the standard unit of weight is grain. In this slide, we will study about various conversion tables. How we will convert apothecary system into Avogadro's system. In this, 1 pound is equal to 7,000 grain, 20 grains is equal to 1 scalpel, and 60 grain is 1 drachm. Other conversions are as mentioned in this table. But important one, conversion of pound into grain and grain into scalpel. We should also remember that 60 grain is equal to 1 drachm. It is also important to note that the unit of capacity is same for both in the case of Avogadro's system and apothecary system, and this unit is gallon. Gallon is the standard unit which is used both in Avogadro's system as well as apothecary system to measure the capacity. While both Avogadro's system and apothecary systems are different in case of the unit of weight measurement, and that is in one case, in the case of Avogadro's system it is pound, while in the case of apothecary system the unit, the standard used to measure the mass is grain. In this slide we will also come to know the conversion table. 1 gallon is equal to 160 fluid ounce, 1/4 of gallon is equal to 1 quart, 1/8 of gallon is equal to 1 pint, and 1 upon 1/16 of the gallon is equal to 1 flounce. 1 pint is equal to 20 flounces and 1 flounce is equal to 480 minims. These are the common unit which are converted, which is based on gallon. Now we will study about metric system. Metric system is used in the Indian pharmacopoeia for the measurement of weight and capacity. It was implemented in India from 1st of April 1964 in the pharmacy profession. It is a new system of measurement. 1 kg, 1 kilogram is the standard unit for the measurement of weight, and all other measures are derived from the kilogram. It means in metric system, kg is the standard unit for the measurement of weight. This slide also contains various conversions that convert 1 kg into different units. For example, 1 kilogram is equal to 100 gram, 1 hectogram is equal to 100 gram, 1 decagram is equal to 10 gram, 1 decigram is equal to 0.1 gram, 1 centigram is equal to 0.01 grams, 1 milligram is equal to 0.001 grams, and 1 microgram is equal to 0.000001 gram. The standard unit to measure the capacity in metric system is liter, and 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. In this slide, we will also study various conversion tables for the capacity measurement in terms of liter. The Pharmacopoeia of India uses only the metric system in formulae, but the prescriptions are still written in the imperial system by many old-time physicians. It can be summarized from the complete study that imperial system is an old system of measurement, metric system is a new system of measurement, and now metric system is used in pharmaceutical industry for the measurement purpose. Specifically in Indian Pharmacopoeia, the unit derived from the metric system are used for the calculation purpose. The questions arises from the complete study may be: differentiate between avoirdupois system and apothecary system of measurement, differentiate between weight and mass, and write a note on imperial system and metric system of measurement. These are the some references that can be further used for the updated study, for the advanced study. Thank you very much for your kind attention. You can contact on the given email ID and contact number for further query.